have changed your life forever, and you're never gonna find another somebody